1111 is more than just a moment on the clock, it represents a powerful phenomenon that captures the imagination and curiosity of many. This video will look into the mystical allure of this number, guiding you on how to prepare for and make the most of this extraordinary day. Whether you're new to the concept of numerological portals or a seasoned observer of cosmic phenomena, understanding the 1111 portal could be key to leveraging its power for personal growth and spiritual insight. The phenomenon of 1111 goes beyond seeing these numbers repeatedly on digital displays. In numerology, 11 is considered a master number, embodying intuition, insight, and enlightenment. When doubled to 1111, its significance intensifies, often seen as a wake-up call from the universe. This sequence is thought to create a moment of opportunity, a portal for the manifestation of our thoughts and desires, aligning them with our higher selves and the universe's energies. The intrigue surrounding 1111 is not just about the numbers themselves but about what they encourage within us, awareness and connection to the universe at a moment in time. Many believe that when they see 1111, it's a signal to pay attention to their thoughts or to an impending opportunity for soulful insight. This repeated sighting isn't merely coincidence, it's considered a moment of synchronicity, where the boundaries between the physical world and the spiritual realm thin significantly, providing a bridge for messages and guidance. November 11th holds historical and cosmic significance that transcends its role in the 1111 phenomenon. Historically, this date marked the end of World War I and is commemorated as Veterans Day in the United States and Remembrance Day in many Commonwealth nations, remembering those who have served and sacrificed. The weight of history on this date adds to the profound energy perceived by many during the 1111 portal. Astrologically, November 11th often sees unique planetary alignments which astrologers study for clues about energy shifts. For instance, some years may see Venus aligning with Jupiter on this day, offering a rare opportunity for enhanced love and harmony, while other alignments might suggest a time for reflection and inner wisdom. Such celestial events contribute to the day's energy, emphasizing the idea that November 11th is a powerful time for both collective memory and personal introspection. The 1111 portal is often described as a moment and the veil between the physical and spiritual worlds is thinnest. This idea stems from the belief that at this specific time, there is a heightened potential for growth and receiving messages from the universe. Essentially, a portal is a gateway to a higher dimension, and on November 11th, it's thought that this gateway opens widely, offering us a chance to step through. This phenomenon is not merely about the time 1111, which can occur twice daily, but specifically about the date November 11th, which carries its own unique energy. The portal is seen as a time for spiritual awakening and major shifts in consciousness. It provides an opportunity for individuals to connect deeply with their intuition, aiding in personal development and the realization of life's bigger picture. It's a day reputed for deep meditation, reflection, and the setting of intentions that align with one's highest aspirations. Preparing for the 1111 portal involves both mental and spiritual readiness. The first step is to create a calm and peaceful environment around you. This might mean decluttering your physical space or setting up a special area for meditation. It's helpful to reduce noise and distractions, as the quieter your surroundings, the easier it will be to tune into the energy of the portal. Mentally, preparation involves clearing your mind of negative thoughts and focusing on positive intentions. Meditation leading up to November 11th can be particularly beneficial. During meditation, focus on breathing deeply and steadily, allowing yourself to feel grounded and centered. This practice helps in fostering a receptive state of mind that's open to the energies of the portal. Setting intentions is also a crucial part of preparation. Reflect on what you wish to achieve or manifest in your life. Write these intentions down as clearly and specifically as possible. The act of writing not only helps to clarify thoughts but also enhances your commitment to them. As the portal opens, revisit these intentions, either through meditation or quiet reflection, and visualize them coming to fruition with the powerful energy that the day provides. Harnessing the energy of the 1111 portal requires active engagement with your set intentions. A powerful method to do this is through the practice of affirmations and visualization. Begin by stating your intentions out loud, which can help solidify your goals and wishes in your mind and the universe. Use positive, present-tense language that asserts your intentions as realities, such as, "I am," or "I have," to strengthen the effect of your affirmations. Visualization complements affirmations by creating mental images of these goals being achieved. Spend time each day leading up to the portal visualizing yourself experiencing the outcomes you desire. Imagine the feelings, sights, and sounds associated with your intentions to enhance the clarity and power of your visualizations. This practice not only helps in attracting what you desire but also prepares you psychologically to receive and recognize opportunities as they arise. Another vital aspect of harnessing this energy is openness to receiving guidance. The portal's energy can often manifest as new insights or sudden realizations. Maintain an open, receptive state of mind, and pay attention to your dreams, thoughts, and feelings during this time. Journaling these experiences can be particularly helpful, as it allows you to reflect on them later and possibly uncover messages or guidance that you may not initially notice. During the 1111 portal, many people report a range of experiences that reflect the energy's impact. A common experience is the feeling of heightened intuition or gut feelings that guide decision-making more clearly than usual. Others report experiencing synchronicities. These are meaningful coincidences that seem to reaffirm one's thoughts or intentions, such as unexpectedly encountering information relevant to a goal or receiving a call from someone you were just thinking about. Vivid dreams are also frequently reported during this period. These aren't just ordinary dreams, they often carry symbolic messages or play out scenarios related to one's intentions. If you experience vivid dreams around the time of the portal, consider keeping a dream journal to help interpret these messages. A sense of deep peace or emotional release might occur. As the portal stirs the subconscious, it can bring unresolved feelings to the surface, providing an opportunity for healing and release. Accept these feelings, allow yourself to process them, and view them as part of your journey toward greater personal clarity and strength. While the 1111 portal is a time of great energy and potential, it can also bring challenges, particularly for those sensitive to energy shifts. You may experience emotional upheaval or a resurgence of past issues. This can be disconcerting, but it's often a sign that the energy is working, pushing you to confront and clear old emotional blocks to make way for new beginnings. To manage these challenges, grounding techniques can be extremely useful. Practices such as walking barefoot on the earth, engaging in mindfulness exercises, or using grounding crystals like black tourmaline or hematite can help. These methods reconnect you with the earth and help stabilize your energy. Ensure you are well hydrated and getting enough rest during this period, as physical well-being significantly impacts your ability to manage spiritual and emotional energy. Protective measures are also important, especially for those who feel vulnerable to energy shifts. Visualizing a white light surrounding you can offer psychic protection, as can the use of protective amulets or symbols. Remember, the intention behind your protective practices boosts their effectiveness, so maintain a clear intention of safety and positivity. After November 11th, you may find that the energies and intentions set during the portal begin to manifest in tangible ways. It's important to stay observant and patient, as the full effects can unfold over the following weeks or even months. You might notice gradual changes in your attitudes, feelings, and experiences, or you might see immediate opportunities come your way. Continuing the practices of meditation, journaling, and reflection post-portal can help you integrate the experiences and insights gained during this period. It's also a good time to reassess and adjust your intentions based on the new understanding or circumstances that the portal's energy has brought to light. Be flexible and allow yourself to flow with the changes, understanding that each step forward is part of a larger journey towards self-realization and fulfillment. While we conclude this exploration of the 1111 portal, remember that this event is a powerful time for reflection, intention setting, and spiritual growth. Whether you are new to working with energy portals or an experienced practitioner, the 1111 portal offers a unique opportunity to connect more deeply with the universal energies that influence our lives. By preparing adequately, setting clear intentions, and remaining open to the outcomes, you position yourself to make the most of this profound energy shift. Take this knowledge forward, and approach November 11th with a balanced blend of preparation and openness. Let your actions, thoughts, and intentions during this time be guided by a clear mind and a hopeful heart. With the right approach, the 1111 portal can be more than just a date on the calendar, it can be a stepping stone to greater personal and spiritual evolution. Thank you for watching and reflecting on this with us. If you found this video helpful, consider sharing it with others who might also benefit from understanding and utilizing the 1111 portal. Let's all move toward this powerful date with awareness and positivity, ready to accept whatever comes our way.